welcome to another class of computer lesson. So, we already started this 9th chapter, starting logo, and here let's continue this chapter. And before that, one more thing, let me remind you first what is a computer language. A computer language is a language which a computer can understand. That's the first thing. Then logo is a language which is used to create or draw graphics, computer graphics, and do solutions, also print messages. Then MSW logo means it is a software with which we work the logo commands. Then turtle, there is a pointer named turtle which is with the help of that pointer we can draw the figures. Next, MS logo screen means it's a screen where screen appears when following some steps. Click start button, point to programs, point to Microsoft Windows logo, click on the MS logo, then a screen appears. So it contains some components. Drawing area. Drawing area is the place where you draw the figures. Second one, reset button, it clears the drawing area. Third one is command recall box, and which contain all the commands that is stored in the command recall box. Then input box, here you type the logo commands. Then execute button, it makes the turtle act as a command. So let's move to the next topic, that is logo commands, and which is also known as primitives. What is its name? Primitives. P-R-I-M-I-T-I-V-E-S. Primitives. That is, logo commands are also known as primitives. Then, the first command is, then what is the use of this logo command? To move the turtle or to turn the turtle in any direction with the help of these commands. So first command is forward command. First one is forward. F O R F O R W A R D, forward. That is F D. F D, forward. F D. Then, what is the use of this command? F D command is used to move the turtle in the forward direction by the number of steps required. FD command or forward command is used to move the turtle to the forward direction in the by the number of steps mentioned. Syntax or command is COMM, and the command is look F D, then write the required number of steps. Example, FD 50. Forward means move the turtle to the forward direction by the required number of steps. Example, FD number of steps. So here FD 50. Then, for example, this is the logo screen, and suppose the turtle is in here, is placed here, and FD50. So write this command in the input box and then execute. What happens? This turtle moves upward by 50 steps, and then it reaches here, and this portion is known as head. So the turtle which moves top of the screen. So this is the use of this command. So forward command is used to move forward direction by the required number of steps. So look at the picture, page number 88. Here turtle is in original state, the turtle is here, and FD 50 means it moves 50 steps and reaches here. Then if it is FD 100, so this is FD 50, then if it is FD 100, then it will move forward and reaches here. So that means it is FD 100. Right? So first command is forward and the command syntax is FD number of steps. Yes. Then second one is back command. So first one forward, FD. Second one is back, BACK. And the short form is BK. So look here. Back command is used to move backward direction, moves back by the required number of steps. So it is same as that of forward, but direction is opposite. So back command is the second command which is used to move backward by the required number of steps. So here the syntax is BK, then number of steps. Number of steps. Example, BK 50. So here is the login screen and the turtle is placed on the top of the screen. So just take an example, here is the turtle, and then when we type the command in the input box, then what happens? So this is the before, and after what happens? It will move back by the 50 steps. So just take, here is the 50 steps, and then the output will be like this. The turtle moves backward direction and then it reaches the center or around 50 steps to the from the original position and then placed it here. So that is the second command, BK. So first command syntax is FD number of steps and the second command is BK number of steps. Here, page number 88, you can see the turtle in this picture, and it moves backward direction, and then this is the picture of BK 100. It moves 100 steps backwardly. Then the third command is right. R-I-G-H-T, right. Third one, right. R-I-G-H-T, right. So the code is R-T. R-T. So RT or right command is used to turn the turtle to the right side direction with an angle. To turn the turtle in right side direction with an angle. So that is the command we used, right. RT. So the syntax is RT, then angle mention. Angle mention. Example, RT 45 degree. Example, RT 45 is an angle. Then RT 90 or RT 360. Yes. So, third command is right, R-I-G-H-T, and the code is RT. The syntax is RT, then angle mention. What is its use? RT is the command which is used to turn the turtle to the right side direction with an angle. With an angle. So, example RT 45, RT 90, RT 360. So, look at the picture. Number of turns. We can also say that the angle is number of turns. So look here. First, the turtle is like this. If we turn this turtle to 90 degree, for example, this is our turtle, and then if we apply RT90, what happens? It just turns to the right side with an angle 90 degrees. So that means to the right direction, it will turn into this. So this is the before applying RT90. This is the result after applying RT90. So turn the turtle to the right direction with an angle 90 degree. Then again if we apply again this command, what happens? Then again it will turn to right direction with an angle 90 degrees. So this is the result. Then next, if we turn again, so what happens? Then this is the result. So RT means to turn the turtle to the right direction, and also it contains number of turns or the angle mentioned. Yes. Then next is left. Left is fourth one, L-E-F-T, left, and the chord here is L-T. So look here, this is our turtle. Then left command is used to turn the turtle we apply LT 90 degree, then what happens? This turtle will move to the left side direction with an angle of 90 degree. So it looks like this. So this is left 90. Then again LT 90 means it will move to the left side direction with an angle 90 degree. So that means this happens. Then LT 90 means again it will turn to left side, then with an angle of 90 degree. So that means here is the final result. So RT to turn the turtle to the right side direction with an angle of 90 degree. LT 90 means to turn the turtle to the left side direction with an angle of 90 degree. Right? Okay, so here examples are given in your textbooks. Then in your daily life you will see various examples of two sides of a wall meet at 90 turns. Two sides of a book meet at 90 turns. Then there is an activity. So let's do an activity. So activity initial position is, this is the initial position. Initial position. Then to make this, to turn RT 90. So turn RT 90. This is the activity. Yes. So we need to turn this turtle into 90 degree. So turn turtle to the 90 degree. So that means here is the turtle. We have to turn to the right side with an angle of 90 degree. So what is the final result here? So this is the final result. To turn this turtle into the right direction with an angle of 90 degree. Turn this turtle to the right direction with an angle of 90 degree. Yes. Then second question. Initial position is, this is the initial position and the question is turn left 90 degree. Turn LT 90 degree. Turn LT 90 degree. So turn the turtle to the left side direction with an angle of 90 degree. So here is the turtle. We have to turn this turtle to the left direction with an angle 90 degree. So how it becomes? So that means this is the final result. To turn the turtle to the left side direction with an angle 90 degree. Then third question. This is the first one. Second one. Then third one is, this is the final result and this is the final result. Yes. Then the third question, and here is the initial position. Then the question is LT90. LT90. That means turn the turtle to the left side direction with the angle of 90 degree. Turn the turtle to the left side direction with the angle 90 degree. That means the turtle becomes like this. To the left side direction with an angle 90 degree. So this is the initial result and here is the final result. Then number 4. Fourth question is, the initial position is like this and the question is RT90. RT90. So move or turn the turtle to the right direction with an angle 90 degrees. So what will be the result? Yes, here it is. This is the final result. Turn the turtle to the right direction and the angle is 90 degree. Then fifth question. This is the initial position and the question is RT 90 degree. So RT means turn right. So turn the turtle to the right direction with an angle 90 degrees. So turn the turtle to the right direction, to right side direction with an angle 90 degrees. So it becomes like this. So this is the final result. So we did this activities. So first question, initial position is like this and we converted into RT90 and then the final result is like this. Then the second one is, this is the initial position and turn LT90, then it will turn to left side with an angle of 90 degree. Third question, initial position is here and after applying LT90 then the result is here. And the fourth one, this is the initial position, then applying RT90 then it will become like this. And the fifth position, here is the initial position and applying RT90 then it will becomes like this. Then next is home. Next command is home command. Home command, it's O-N-E, home command. So home command is, the home command will bring the turtle to the center position. Bring the turtle to the center position of the drawing area and the command is home. So what a home command do? A home command is used to bring the turtle to the central position of the drawing area and the syntax is home. And the syntax is what? Home. The command is home. So look at the picture. To use the home command, before result, here is the turtle and we apply home command. How to apply home command? Just type the home in the input box and then click execute button. Then it will bring, that means the home command bring the turtle to the center position. It will return to its original position or central position. So that is the use of a home command. A home command will bring back to the center of the drawing area. Next is hide turtle. So home command. So fifth Then sixth one, hide turtle. Hide turtle. H-I-D-E, hide. Then T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. And the code is HT. HT. Code is HT. So what is the purpose of hide turtle? Hide means to hiding, right? To disappear. Same as that of the meaning. Hide turtle is to disappear the turtle from the drawing area. That means if you want to remove the turtle or hide the turtle from the drawing area, then you should use the command hide turtle. So what is the use of a hide turtle? It is used to hide the turtle. So this command is normally used after finishing your drawing sheet. So that is, the command is HT. So you can type HT. So sixth one, hide turtle. That is HT. Then next is, so look here, before we know there is a turtle which is placed at the center of the drawing area, and after we applying the command, what happens? There is no turtle, so it becomes hide. Then next is show turtle. S-H-O-W, show. S-H-O-W, show. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle, show turtle. S-T. So what is the code used or command used here? S-T. After hiding the turtle, then you have a thought that to show the turtle. So we use the ST command to show the turtle. So ST command is used to show the turtle if it is hidden. So seventh one is show turtle. S-H-O-W, show. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. So that is S-T, show turtle. Okay. So let's rewind this chapter. At first, we discussed about computer language. So what is a computer language? A computer language is a language a computer can understand. We have known of many other languages like English, Malayalam, Hindi, etc. But we do not speak this type of languages to computer because it cannot understand. So we need to know computer language. So one of the computer language is Logo. So Logo is a language which is used to draw graphics and do calculations and also print messages. Then here MSW Logo means it is a software which provides an interface to work with logo commands. So here, how to open logo commands or how to open logo screen, there is a steps. There are some steps. First, click start button, point to programs, point to Microsoft Windows logo, click on the MSW logo. So a screen will open. So in that screen there are some components, and before that there is a necessary thing, that is turtle. Turtle means simply it's a pointer, and we can say that it is on screen cursor. What is that? On screen cursor, which is used to draw graphics or figures. We can draw any polygon using this turtle. Then there are some components. The first component is drawing area. Drawing area is the place where to draw figures. Second one is reset button. It erases all the unwanted lines and then bring the turtle to the center position. Command read for box means it stores all the commands which you have given in the input box. And input box means here is the place where you can type the input commands like RT90 or LT90 etc. Then execute button means it makes a turtle to act the process, to act for as the command given. To execute means to run the command. Simply that's like. The next is logo commands. Here logo commands are known as primitives. What is that? Primitives. So first command is forward, which is used to move the turtle to the forward direction in required number of steps. Second one is back, that is BK, which is used to move forward direction, not forward direction, backward direction by the required number of steps. RT means to turn the turtle in the right side direction with a number of turns, with an angle. Simply we can say with an angle. The left is same as that of RT, but instead of right, it use left side with an angle. Then next is, we did some activities. After that home command will bring the turtle to the center position, and then hide turtle means if you want to hide the turtle or disappear the turtle from the working area, then you should need to use the command HT. Then next is show turtle. Then if the turtle is hidden, then you can use show turtle to show the turtle. So these are all things about today. So let's wind up this class. We will continue later. Thank you.